Hello everyone and welcome back. This weekend is peak fall colors here in Colorado. So I took a few days off of work and we're just going to be driving around, seeing the sights, looking for the best colors we can. I'm out near Leadville right now and that's as far as I've gotten on my plan. I know that I want to be in Crested Butte at some point and I want to be in Aspen at some point. So throughout the next 4 days we'll visit both of those places. There's a nice little network of trails here in Colorado that connect a lot of mountain towns, so do those as well. Man, it's gonna be so nice. I hope you guys enjoy. I love this time of year. It's like a couple days after the autumn solstice right now. It changes fast, man. Summer, boom, autumn. So, yeah, really nice. This has been a really bad year for forest fires in Colorado. Well, really, the entire country. You know, California, the entire Pacific Northwest, they've been getting hammered, but so has Colorado. So there's been a statewide fire ban for well over a month now, and the last few videos I've recorded were long before that. I usually don't record videos when I go out, because I don't like to do work. But this one's pretty, I thought I would record. Anyway, so it's really warm today, and I hope it stays warm, because I can't have a campfire. So it was pretty cold last weekend when I camped, but it is nice out right now. I've got my shorts on and my camp shoes. Great hiking shoes. I'm prepared, by the way, super prepared. Anyway, yeah, so it's about noon right now and I have nothing to do besides just hang out here. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright, change of plans. I didn't like that spot, so I went up the hill a bit and I found a different spot. And my, oh my, does it have a good view. Well, if the rest of the trip is anything like this, it'll be pretty nice. I'm gonna make some food and come right back and sit here as long as I can. If you've seen my past camping videos, you'll know how fond I am of pasta in a bag. Says mint syrup. Camping mojito. Doesn't taste like a mojito at all, but it's good. It is good though. For those of you that are curious how I have ice in my drink even though I have a 12-volt refrigerator, I got this small Arctic cooler. I freeze a few water bottles, get a 10-pound bag of ice, Oh, why do you buy ice if you have a fridge? This is why I buy ice. I like the fridge though because it gives me the option of just throwing food in there and going. I'm not always going to bring that, only when I want something fancier. This is not a wheeling trip, this is just a camping, fall colors. So I brought ice. So sue me. Morning. Today we're going to be headed to Crested Butte, and I want to hit the road early to avoid all the other people coming in from Denver and such. So just going to do a quick breakfast and then we'll head out. A couple hours on the road and we'll be there. And Crested Butte is probably the #1 place for fall colors. So, man, it's going to be nice. Not that this place sucks either. I mean, this is such a nice spot. But anyway, let's hop to it. Man, there is so much color here. It's awesome. Lots of greens and yellows and oranges. Just all kinds. And then this whole hillside over here is same thing. I'm gonna try to find a hiking trail of some kind so I can really just walk through and enjoy the colors. So let's go find one. So I made the decision that Crested Butte was way too busy, full of people, which is surprising because it's only a Friday, but it is a pretty busy weekend for fall colors. Anyway, I saw what I wanted to see there. I was gonna get lunch, but instead I'm gonna go down a road called Devil's Punch Bowl, which will take me right by a very famous structure known as the Crystal Mill, which that'll be really cool. I've never seen it with fall colors. That'll be nice. So then once we get past that, we're gonna stop in a town called Marble and get the best barbecue ever. So good. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go. This is a road that I wouldn't recommend you go on solo if you've never done it before. It's a narrow, bumpy shelf road. It's pretty rocky, and there's not a lot of places to pass, so if you see any oncoming traffic, you could be screwed. So I'm glad I'm only in one vehicle, but again, if you've never done this trail, I would recommend it, at least do it in a group for your first time. But I've done this trail a lot of times, so I think I'll be alright. I'm gonna go down to about 20 on this one because I still have a little more road driving to get to. Once I'm done with this trail, I'll drive to Aspen, and I just don't feel like airing up, so I'll just go somewhere in the middle and do it anyway. Sorry I'm not getting a whole lot of footage of actual wheeling, but as you can see, it's a pretty narrow trail, and there's the occasional traffic, whether it's bikes or foot traffic or whatever, and I just don't have enough time to stop and set up a camera, so you're just gonna have to deal with these kind of shots. But rest assured, it is a cool trail. Man, what a long day. Did that trail, saw the mill, it was beautiful. Ended up having some hikers ask me if I could take them back to Marble. It's a pretty long hike, so made some money off of it, paid for dinner. So I stopped at the barbecue place in Marble. Oh, good stuff. Yeah, and now we're out here. We drove all the way around to Aspen, and now we're on the Aspen side of Pearl Pass. So, man, there's tons of color here though. Man, in the morning, it's gonna look great. It's gonna look beautiful. So, yeah, this is where we are tonight. Not bad.